Hello, my name is Jobst von Hoyningen-Huene. I'm a managing director and co-founder of Econnext. We are a sustainability holding, so permanent capital structure. We build businesses that have a positive impact on society and environment. Focus areas are decarbonization and circular economy, and we also do data and renewable energy. So why did we found Econnext 5 years ago? We observed a mega trends, the continuous temperature rise. It will not go away, even despite of short-term crisis, Ukraine war, energy crisis. This mega trend will stay. We see political pressure and regulation rise, and also, very interestingly, the ambition levels of clients also increase. So those are mega trends where we believe we can bet on. We see, due to that, significant technology shifts, and we also believe that there will be new markets. Still niche now, but doomed to grow a couple of years down the road. How do we do it? We bet on proven technologies and solutions, and we also go for scalability of our businesses. This is a short snapshot on our current portfolio of 6 subsidiaries. We hold majority positions in all of them. Let's now go to the exciting part, actually. This is how we do it, that niche to size play with our subsidiaries. First example, and I will show you 3, is Lumenion. Lumenion has developed a utility-scale thermal energy storage, and this is a key technology to decarbonize industrial processes. So we really believe we need to do that. We need to invest in hardware. 50% of the energy that is used in Europe is going into the heat sector, and of that the larger chunk into industrial processes. And these processes are fossil fuel based, still 85–90%. How can we decarbonize that? We use renewable energy, cheap, efficient, put it into energy storage systems and actually deploy then steam, green heat, 150 to 400 degrees, exactly what the industry needs. So you can decarbonize bakeries, breweries, chemical plants, everything, and we want to do that, and we want to be big. IRENA expects that sector quadruples over the next years. We believe our technology with a 95 and up to 95% efficiency is extremely well positioned. We believe we need to build big projects. We have delivered 2 smaller projects here in Berlin. Next one is 20 megawatt hours, and we have a pipeline project 60 megawatt hours, and soon we want to go for the 100 class. Second example, solar roof tiles. We heard a couple of sessions, the tremendous opportunity in that sector, and that in Europe, 70 million houses need to be renovated, and we have a building integrated photovoltaic solution which is hardly visible. It's beautiful even. We say in German it's einfach, schön, and sicher. So it's really a tremendous product here. We have installed 400,000 solar tiles already in 6 markets, and our ambition is to deploy actually 5 million per annum in midterm. Last one, and a very exciting one, is recycling, and recycling of the PV photovoltaic module sector. We all know this is not a market yet. It's a niche. It's a tiny niche, but it's doomed to grow. So if you own a technology that can actually separate those precious materials, such as silver, silicon, glass, in a cost-efficient and fast way, you are a winner. And that is what we own. We own a technology that actually can do that. It's based on flash lamp annealing. We offer that service as a service, so we call it Flash as a service, to all recycling companies globally. Contracts are in place already and signed with 2 large multinational recycling companies. And I can tell you the beautiful economics of 1 single plant bilaterally if you are interested in that one. So our ambition is to own a couple of hundreds, namely more than 200 plants in 2030, and to dominate, and not just develop, but dominate that market. So what is the takeaway? The takeaway for you, if you are a growth investor and you like our approach, of permanent capital, of hardware, of being a long-term investor, of actually believing in those mega trends and believing in our approach to go from niche to size, you should reach out to us. But please do also reach out to us if you see opportunities to cooperate in a strategic way with our subsidiaries, because that is also what we love. Yeah. So many thanks, and reach out to me. I'm here around, the entire afternoon. Many thanks.